Hi, I'm Donnatella from Donnatella Perfumes, and today we're going to be unboxing the famous Lacoste Blanc. Let's see what's inside. So first and foremost, the art on the box is beautiful and amazing. They always do a great job with this. And right off the bat, we can see the fragrance itself. That's the 3.4 ounce bottle. Here we have what seems to be a shower gel, which is nice, you know, for the shower, smell nice. And last but not least, we have the deodorant. Oh, so this is nice. You just spray yourself down, spray some cologne, get out fresh out the shower. Great set overall. Now that we have our set, let's see what it smells like. From what I remember, this fragrance is very fresh. Let's see what I can detect. Like I said, very fresh, very masculine. And I feel something a little spicy there at the end. Very nice. Overall, an amazing fragrance, day or night, for any occasion. My name is Donnatella, and I'll see you in the next one.